Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure camera access permissions on Windows 11. So if you decide or if you want to use a webcam on a desktop, especially a PC desktop version of the laptop, because laptop had a built-in camera, and here this is how you can configure the permission. Please prepare your webcam installed on your PC, and here you can click on Windows Start icon, click settings, and click privacy and security. Here you can search for application permission camera, click it, and the setting on this page do not prevent you from signing in with your camera using facial recognition or Windows Hello. Some desktop app might not appear on this page or be affected by this setting. So by default, camera setting or camera access is on. And here, let apps access your camera. Choose which apps that can access your camera. For example, the game bar you can turn on or turn off. So when you play the game, you can record or stream your game, use this app, and so on. And this is the recent activity, review camera access from last 7 days. So here, this is how you can configure your camera. And even there is a related settings like camera device settings and sign in option and facial recognition. Use your camera. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.